Hi everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how you can get or download your Commonwealth Bank application right in your Android device. Watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's jump right into the video. First, make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are open your Play Store. Go to the search bar to the top where it says search for apps and games and give it a tap. Type in Commonwealth Bank. In the search box and search you'll be able to see the application displayed in the search results on the next page. This one's the app that we are looking for. Simply tap on the install button right next to the application. To begin the downloading process. Now all you need to do is wait until the application gets downloaded and installed on your Android device with your Commonwealth Bank application downloaded right in your Android device. You can make your payments, manage your bills and payments, tracker spendings and savings right from your mobile devices. Soon after your application gets downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app. Tap it on in order to launch your app open. That is how you can easily download Commonwealth online banking application on a mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.